You want to start a business in today's economy. The first thing you're going to need is money. Well, what are your options?
Well, you can get a bank loan from Barry the Banker and pray that you'll fall within their lending criteria.
Option number 2 is hit up your family for startup cash, which can be risky. Let's just say Christmas might get a little bit weird if you can't pay back your Uncle Larry the loan shark.
Here's what I love. Option number 3, you come to me, but now you've got a deal and you just gave up a chunk of your own company.
Those are your options. You can give Damon half your company, rob a bank, or ruin Christmas.
But what if I told you there was another option that doesn't require any startup cash, zero experience, or even needed an investor like me?
Huh?
Build a funnel.
Oh, right.
See, a funnel is like a digital magnet that pulls customers from all over the internet to your online store.
Funnel is the difference between the 1.9 billion websites that don't make a single dime and the 0.00002% that actually do.
But building a funnel from scratch can feel really overwhelming. Where do you start? What do you say? And what type of funnel is right for my business?
That's why Damon and I put together the Your First Funnel Challenge that will help you to bootstrap your idea and launch it to the world with a funnel.
This is a rare chance to learn from me, Russell Brunson, and 20 other elite entrepreneurs that would normally cost you thousands of dollars.
But right now, you can sign up for the Your First Funnel 5-day challenge for free. Go ahead and click on the button somewhere down below on this page and register for the challenge right now before we hit our capacity and we have to close the doors.
Finally, you can build the business that you wanted without taking on a mountain of debt or getting stuck.
So what are you waiting for? Let's launch your first funnel right now.
Sign up for the 5-day Your First Funnel Challenge right now and let's get to work.
You want to start a business in today's economy.